So somehow the title will be like this: Workshop of Programs Enrollment. Okay. Now it comes to our enrollment. First, we will be making a table, as I have mentioned here, enrollment page. Sorry for the, I just noticed the spelling. Okay, so in our enrollment section, we'll be creating a table. Alright, so I'm gonna delete everything what's in here. So basically we have customized our template. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna choose a shape. And I'm gonna go to text and I have choose this font. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna change the font to 20. Yeah, 20 is fine. And I'm gonna type here program name, program or workshop name. Okay, so we are gonna add the basic informations whenever we enroll a program, or whenever we take a course, or enroll ourselves in a workshop. So I'm gonna add the basic questions. Alright, so far this is the table, okay, and we are gonna do the somehow the same table we are gonna do for our cancellation and rescheduling page. Alright, and for our contacts. So we are almost done, guys, and I'll just be back. Alright, so we have completed our enrollment section. Now I'm just gonna duplicate the enrollment section and I'm gonna change this to cancellation and rescheduling. Okay, now in our rescheduling part where we have this the table is there, but we are just gonna delete some of the sections. All right, like participate like student information only, full name, email address, and contact number. Address we don't need because we have the in our enrollment section already. All right. Okay, so whenever once you well, we are not gonna show the and the website. This is just for this is just the designing. But usually uh, when we click the submit button, they will receive a enrollment ID. Let's say this is just our idea, our imagination. Let's say, okay. So once they submit, they will receive a enrollment ID. What means from by the original date is like what was the date what was the actual date which you have entered the in which you have enrolled the programs or workshop, the actual date when you were filling the enrollment form. What was the date? So the original date means like that.